Hi, my name is Dan Carino, and I'm an Operations Program Manager here at Lockheed Martin, Liverpool, New York. As the lead sponsor of the 2021 Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month, Lockheed Martin welcomes you on behalf of the Greater Central New York manufacturing community. This program is intended to increase awareness of careers in manufacturing, and we hope that many of you will consider a career at Lockheed Martin or one of the other companies supporting this event. We hope you enjoy this video of another great manufacturing company in the Greater Central New York region. Thank you.
Dedicated to world-class manufacturing, Novelis is the leading producer of flat-rolled aluminum products and the world's largest recycler of aluminum. Driven by its purpose to shape a sustainable world together, Novelis works alongside customers to provide innovative solutions to the aerospace, automotive, beverage can, and specialty markets. Strongly rooted in safety, collaboration, innovation, and sustainability, our integrated network and infrastructure of operational excellence and powerful partnerships positions us as a world leader while remaining agile and flexible. This would not be possible without our greatest asset, our people. Novelis employs over 15,000 people across 33 operating locations in 9 countries in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, leveraging our global footprint to deliver consistent, high-quality products around the world. By minimizing environmental impact and establishing supply chain security, we help our customers and community achieve their sustainability goals.
I believe manufacturing over the next 20 years continue to grow, and we will adapt and grow with that through our people.
Yeah, I think what sets Novelis apart really are the people that work here. I think genuinely everybody here cares about one another to get to the end goal.
What I like most about my job is working with the people that I work with. It's very rewarding. They treat me as family, I treat them as family, and it's just very enjoyable.
My team is innovative, flexible, fun, and they are my family.
We're always making sure that we're communicating and being safe throughout the day.
I was able to be a part of the launch of the F-150. So a lot of hours, a lot of laughter, a lot of tears, but extremely gratifying.
I think one thing that people underestimate when it comes to manufacturing is how advanced the technology is here. You know, to make a beverage can or the metal that goes into a hood of a vehicle, it seems really simple on the surface, but way more advanced than people would ever know until they actually see it and are involved with it.
We discuss things every day on new innovations, new inventions, and we're doing that today. We're doing that in our Oswego plant. So it's critical that we play a role with our community, that we're leaders in our community, that we provide for our community, that we're a resource for our community.
As a purpose-driven company, we are not only committed to protecting the environment, but making a positive impact on our employees, customers, and the communities in which we live and work. Recognizing we must adapt to an ever-changing world through forward thinking and innovation, we are proud to invest in and collaborate with our community to deliver on our purpose of shaping a sustainable world together. The future of manufacturing is powered by people.
Here are some opportunities at our other Gold Manufacturing sponsor companies. Thank you to this week's Gold Manufacturing sponsor, United Radio. If you are looking for a diverse, stable, safe, fun, and dynamic workplace, check out career opportunities at their website at unitedradio.com. There are several openings in their East Syracuse location, and many only require a high school diploma. Huhtamaki is a global producer of sustainable packaging solutions. Their plant in Fulton currently has openings for a product worker, maintenance mechanic, and several openings for industrial electrical technician interns. Marquardt Switches Incorporated offers opportunities across all areas for experienced and entry-level professionals and skilled workers. They offer seasonal, long-term, and paid co-ops and internships within various departments and disciplines.
Once again, thank you and have a great Manufacturing Careers Day and Manufacturing Month.
Thank you to PPC, a silver sponsor of Manufacturing Month. PPC is a global team of exceptional people, committed to designing, delivering, and supporting best-in-class technology solutions in a fast-paced, results-oriented, and growing company. If you are a creative, smart, analytical, and obsessed with working together to deliver high-quality solutions and services to customers across the globe, check out their job openings. Thank you to AT&T, a bronze sponsor of Manufacturing Month. AT&T continually sponsors PEB and MACNY programs and demonstrates their commitment to the local community. Thanks to bronze sponsor SRC. SRC Syracuse has openings for electrical engineers, co-ops, internships for spring and summer 2022, and entry-level computer engineer, software engineer interns, and integration and test engineers. Visit srcinc.com/careers and engineer new possibilities. Thanks to our third bronze sponsor, Syracuse Label and Surround Printing. They design, print, and manufacture and utilize cutting-edge print technology, have an in-house art department. Check out their job openings at www.syrlsp.com. A big thank you to AmeriQ, a program sponsor. AmeriQ is invested in education and offers 10 $1,000 scholarships annually to primary members who are high school or continuing college students. Visit ameriq.org/in-our-community/scholarships. Thank you to Bomer, a program sponsor. You can join their growing team in Auburn in custom thermoforming, rotational molding, plastic and metal fabrication, or in their sheet metal or value-add service departments. Cathedral Candle is a long-term PEB MACNY supporter. This local company has employed local people since 1897 and has career opportunities for machine operators, shipping and receiving personnel, warehouse and maintenance positions, and maintenance technicians. We thank them for their continuing sponsorship and commitment to the community.